Getting your 4,000 watch time on YouTube is very difficult. Sometimes creators will spend 6 months, 1 year, and even 2 years before they are able to get this 4,000 watch time. Sometimes creators will even spend 2 years with over 100 videos, and yet they are unable to get this 4,000 watch time. I know content creators with 1,000 subscribers, 10,000 subscribers, and yet they are not monetized. Why? Because they are unable to get this 4,000 watch time. But if you implement the strategy I'm going to show you today, you'll be able to get your 4,000 watch time in the next 7 days. Now, come closer. Let me remind you of this. For you to be able to start making money on YouTube to be monetized, you need 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, or 10 million short views and 3 public videos on your channel for the last 90 days. Now, YouTube has even made it easier. You can have 500 subscribers, 3,000 watch hours, and or 3 million short views in the last 90 days, and YouTube can monetize you. Now, before I share you the strategy that will help you to get 4,000 watch time in the next 7 days, I want to give you the advantage of this strategy and the disadvantage of this strategy so that you would know if you need to implement this on your channel or not. The first strategy is that this method, this strategy is very easy. The second advantage is, of course, you will definitely get this 4,000 watch time. Now, let's move on to the disadvantage. Let me take this slowly. The first disadvantage is this strategy is going to make you very lazy. It will make you comfortable. And when it makes you comfortable, when you get monetized, you would forget that you need to put in a lot of work for you to be able to grow organic audience who would actually love the kind of content you upload on your channel. The next disadvantage is this strategy is very expensive. So this strategy is only for those who have the money to spend. So if you don't have the money to spend, then my darlings, this strategy is not for you. Go ahead. Take your live stream seriously and creating your videos seriously so you can organically grow your watch time. Now, for those of you who have the money to implement this strategy, good for you. But like I said, this will destroy your channel because the audience that you're going to pay to watch your videos and give you this watch time, that is their only duty. They don't love your content. They don't care about your content. All they care about is the money you pay them to watch this video. And when they are done with you, it's just like you're employing someone to do a job for you. When they are done, they go away. Now, what happens to you? You get excited. Oh, I'm monetized. But when they have left you, you've gotten that monetization. Now, that is when the work starts. Let me remind you of this before we go ahead. The money you'll be able to make on YouTube is from the ads views on your channel. You see the ads that pop up on channels, right? Watching that ad is what will give you money. So if your audience don't watch the ads or they are always skipping through your ads, you would make only little amounts of money. So you want to get audience that will actually love your content and be patient enough to finish watching the ads so that they can watch the videos or your content. But if they are not patient enough, then they are going to click out of your channel when you are monetized, and so you will not be making money, you will not be growing. But this strategy is good for people who know that after monetization, they would keep posting videos and keep implementing this strategy on every other video, which is like, what kind of investment can we call that? Terrible, right? Anyway, it is for you to judge. You can either take it or you leave it. Hi! If this is your first time on my channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you for joining us today. And if you're a content creator, please go to the comment section and connect with everyone you see right there. Now, I want to give a big shout out to these 3 content creators who have been supporting my channel massively. The first one I'm going to say big shout out to is Experience Life. Thank you so much for always being part of my live streams and also watching my videos. Please, guys, go and support him and connect with him. Now, his link is below there on the comment section, so make sure you go there and connect with him. The next content creator I want you guys to go and support is Beyond That Table. I mean, these content creators have just been making me feel like I am doing a great job. So I want you guys to go support them. Her link is below there, so make sure you go and make friends with her. Look at the beautiful messages she sent to me. I mean, comment. And this one right here. Through her lens. Look at the amazing comments she dropped on one of my videos. Thank you so much. This is really encouraging. And going onward, I'm going to be giving shout outs to my best audience. If you are one of the audience that is supporting my channel well, the comments, the likes, and being on my live stream, then I will always make sure I give you a shout out on my live streams, on my videos, and also I would always pin your comments so that any commenter or any small YouTuber that comes to the comment section will see your comments first. It's a great incentive to tell you guys, thank you, namaste, for all the support and the energy you guys put into this my small community I am building. So, are you ready for this strategy that can get you your 4,000 watch hours in the next 7 days? Now come closer and make sure you follow this strategy step by step. Here is the platform we're going to be using. Click right at the top left hand side where you see the 3 dots, just like so. Below here where you see create task, you click on it just like so. Now before we go ahead, for those of you that did not watch this video, then you're lacking behind, because with this strategy, you can get your subscribers in the next 24 hours. Just go watch the video, implement the strategy, and let me know after you've gotten your subscribers how many and how it's working for your channel. And please, listen to the advice I gave you on implementing that strategy. It is very important. So, click on select category and click right here on social media engagement, and you click right there on platform. Select YouTube. YouTube is the platform we're going to be using, and you click on next. Very simple and straightforward strategy. You have the money, right? Let's go get it. Remember, this platform is a platform made of social media workers. What they do here, they are not boot workers. They are real workers, real people with real social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, TikTok. They have all these accounts and they are here. They are freelancers. They are just here to work. Okay? So when you click right here on next, it's going to take you here. Click on select, just like so. Click on add my own task and click right here on next. Now, don't rush out. I know what a lot of you will do. You'll be like, oh, I watched this video, so I know what to do. Sorry, you really do not know what to do. Stay put. So right here, the first thing you have to do is your job title, and you can type in something like this. Watch this video till the end. And below here, you need the link to the video. So go to your YouTube channel and select the video you want to use. Now just go through your videos and select any of your videos that you want to use to get more watch time. Just like here. Let me click on my videos just like so. And right here, I click on the 3 dots. Just like so. And I click on share. It's going to bring out this. You copy your link and then you return to this app. Now paste the link just like so. And below here we have proof. Select video. Just like so. And below we have price per person. Now the minimum price is 72 naira. You can put 100 naira if you have the money, but let's just put 72 naira for those that don't want to extend. The secret I'm going to give you will help you get this 4,000 subscribers faster than in 7 days. I just said 7 days for those who are lazy and for those who are not going to watch this video till the end thinking they can actually follow the other video to get through with this one. So just scroll below after putting the amount, type here. Now, follow exactly what I'm going to type here, just like so. So this is what you should type in. Watch this video till the end. Send screen recording of the job being done as proof. Failure to send these recordings, you won't receive your pay. Now you have to do this because some of these online workers, these freelancers are very intelligent. They would actually say they have watched your video when they haven't. But make sure that you implement this or you type this so that they must do the job before they get paid. Now below here you have how many freelancers do you need? The minimum is 50 and the maximum is 100,000. So let's put 50. And right here, you would have to pay them 3,800 to do this. Now let's return and increase the amount. Remember, we put 50. Let's just delete it and put 1,000 because 50 won't give you enough watch time. So this is the amount, 72,200 you would pay for 1,000 workers. When done, click on confirm and check out and they will start watching your videos. So if you have this kind of audience that you pay them to come and watch your videos, before you'll be able to reach the threshold of $100 on your channel can take you years. You're going to stress so much after this because you're going to be seeing I'm monetized. Ads are running on my channel. I have 10,000 subscribers, but what are they doing here? Why did they subscribe that they can't watch this? So you're not real. You can't even get an influencing deal because when companies actually want to get you to influence in their product or their service, they need to see your view count. They need to come to your videos and see that, oh, 10,000 people are watching it, 5,000 people are watching it, or 20,000 or 100,000 people before they look at your subscribers. Yes, you have the subscribers. Do you have the engagement? These two things combine for you to be able to have endorsement deals. So you will not be making money from YouTube as well as you will not be able to get any company to ask you to advertise their products because obviously you don't have views. So my darlings, easy busy. You want to get 4,000 watch time in the next 7 days, even the next 3 days. Pack your money, go to the link below, click on it. It's going to take you to this platform. You apply for this and you get going. Now, for my smart content creators, they know that this particular method is not the way to go if you want to stay long on YouTube and if you want to have it at ease, seamless. You want to grow like this. You don't want to grow this and drop back to zero. Thank you all so much for watching this video. And remember, I'm going to be doing shout outs to my best audience, to the audience that actually stand out for me on this channel, on my videos, on my live streams. I'm also going to make sure that I pin your beautiful comments so that any content creator that goes to the comment section will see you number one. Love you all. And until next time, remember, never, ever give up on your YouTube channel. There are better strategies that will work for you 100%. Mwah.